I wake up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a bath. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I eat my breakfast. I drink milk. I pack my bag. I go to school. I say good morning. I listen to my teacher. I read a book. I write in my notebook. I play with my friends. I share my toys. I wash my hands. I eat my lunch. I drink water. I say thank you. I help my mom. I clean my room. I do my homework. I watch TV. I go to sleep. Like, share, subscribe.